you do it?
Well, yeah.
You need to get it from this side, Sean.
I will.
Yay, you did it. No,
Are you able to get down?
careful. No,
Not that way.
No. Wow, good girl.
She acts like she's done that before.
Yeah, she must have. What? What are you guys worried about?
What? I've done that before. Can you do it?
Oh, you're going to push that now?
Can you climb it?
It's in your mouth. You're a big girl. I know.
Goodness.
Hold on.
Well, you got to hold on, Daredevil.
Go down. Good girl. Can you do it? Ooh.
Whoa.
Good girl. Ooh, that scared me.
She's so used to doing
I
it.
know. What else can I get him to do? Ball, ball, ball. Ball, ball, ball. Throw it. Yay. I think we need a new ball, Daddy.
Yeah. I think the dogs bit it.
How about Ducky? How about Ducky?
She throws pretty good.
Duck. Oh, she wants the ball.
You want the ball still. Say, I'm not done with that ball. I thought that you would be doing more stair climbing.
Oh, don't take it. She said, don't take it, Daddy.
Don't take it. I got plans.
I got plans for
Oh, you're blowing it back up?
that. Kick it.
Goodness, she's a busy girl.
Now what's she gonna do?
She's going to climb.
Oh, Daddy, she's gonna break her teeth.
You can't climb on the ball, sweetie. Here, you got to either let go of that or let go of the ball.
No, Daddy.
How about that?
Okay, good. Have to get.
You're a climber. You sure are a climber.
You're a big girl. Hold on.
You got her, Mommy?
Yeah. Can you get down? No.
Not
Hold
that
on.
way you can't.
Hold
Turn
on.
around.
No. Can you do it?
Not that way. You got to turn around.
No. You know how to do it. No, not that way.
You know how, silly.
There you go. Good girl. No.
No, yeah. She says, Mom, I'm an
There
old
you
pro
go.
at this.
There you go.
That was a
You're
little
gonna do
awkward,
it.
but look at it. Oh, your foot.
One more. This is where she has trouble.
Yeah, but she usually climbs
Yay,
down.
you did it! Now what? Ducky duck. Busy.
Charlie, where's the Christmas tree? That's right. Where's the doggy? That's the Christmas tree. Yeah. Where's the doggy? Where's Eppie? No, where's Eppie?
Yep.
Yeah, she is right there.
Eyes.
Where are your eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's your mouth? Good.
Yes.
Where are your ears? No, those are your eyes.
Where's your ears?
Where's your ears?
Goodness, you are wired up.
Yeah.
Oh, the remote? What does the remote do?
Oh, she's talking on the phone.
That's not the phone. What do you do with the remote? Do you point it at the TV? Where's the TV?
I don't think she knows that that's called that. Yeah.
You're fast. Oh, yep, that fell. What are you going to do with that? Take it to Mommy.
Thank you. You're a good girl. She's busy.
Wow, she's fast.
Whoa!
Boom!
Woo! Oh!
Oh, she tackled Mommy.
Can I have a kiss?
Where's your belly button?
Oh, where is your belly button?
Sorry, Mommy.
Where's your belly button? Where's your belly?
Right there. Oh. Where are your feet? Yep.
Good girl.
Where's your hair? Yeah. Where is your hand? Do you know hands?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
Twirling, yeah.
Twirl.
What a smart little girl. Are you climbing? No? You don't want to climb?
Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Goodness.
Give me a kiss. I want a kiss.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Sorry, Daddy.
Can you dance?
Dance, dance.
Dance, dance, dance?
No.
Twirl? Yeah, there's a dance. Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
that's good dancing.
Oh.
A mean look. That's her dancing face.
Whoa.
Boom.